mature. She's smart. Her name's Velma.
Chasing stars and I landed here. My soul hasn't been free yet.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha Naomi, and here on this channel we focus on things such as beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So today we are doing another hair review. This wig was actually sent to me by Vivibaby Wigs, found on Amazon. I did a review for this company and they reached out to me. They liked my last review, so they decided to send me this unit, and I'm super grateful and super happy to be working with them again. So this is a 12-inch wig, deep wave with a closure, obviously. So here I am just bleaching the closure. The lace was ultra thin, probably one of the thinnest laces I've ever experienced. I really liked it. The knots bleached really well, in my opinion. And yeah, I like this hair a lot. I didn't like it at first because, as you can see, like right here, I just look like, it actually doesn't look terrible, but it's just not really my style. So I definitely had to switch it up and take it out of its natural state. So here I am, just combing it through right before I start to blow dry. So now I'm blow drying my hair, and I'm trying to figure out what am I gonna do with this wig, because it's just kind of short. It's short and it makes me triggered because it reminds me of myself as a little girl with short curly hair, just like a big old head with short curly hair. So anyways, here I am just blow drying it, and it was at this moment I realized that I can do like a cute little old style updo. I don't know if it's the 70s or the 80s, child. I didn't even exist back then, so I don't know. But it's giving 70s or 80s updo. So I decided to bump my ends in reverse. And yeah, so after I blow dried the hair, I was like, okay, I'm gonna give the style a rest while I lay down this lace. So I just used Gots to Be glue spray and my blow dryer to lay down the lace, and it melted really well. I'm really impressed with the lace on this wig, so I'm hoping this is like the new standard for most wigs, because I would, especially in the wintertime, I like to wear lace wigs. So yeah, after I laid down the closure portion, I went back to blow drying to try to see if I could just kind of get that blown out older style curl situation. And this is kind of what's going on for the rest of this video, of me just trying to figure out how I'm gonna style it. It wasn't until the very end that I was like, you know what? I think I want bangs. I think that bangs will be the thing to tie it together. I'm surprised I didn't notice here while I was twirling some make-believe bangs. But yeah, I really like this wig. It makes me feel very mature. It makes me feel like just grown, I don't know, but also very young, because it reminds me of when my natural hair was this short and I was a little girl back then. So anyways, enough of a story time. I guess I'll let you guys get back to some tunes. And once again, thank you so much to Vivibaby Wigs on Amazon for sending me this wig. Enjoy the rest of this video, y'all. Let me know what you think. Do you like the look that I showed at the very beginning of the video when I named her Velma? Or do you like how I styled the wig at the very end of the video with like the tighter curls? I really can't decide between the tighter curls or how I styled it at the very beginning of the video. So check it out. Let me know in the comments down below which style, how would you wear it if you were me. So anyways, I love you guys. I actually do love y'all. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel and my vision. Anyways, enjoy. Ciao.
Wow.
This is what I've done so far.
Yeah, look at me dead in my
Now,
eyes.
I'm kind of nervous because if I take my
Too much
curling
respect.
iron,
All of
I
my
don't want
shorty
to lose
BDs, they know
volume,
not to try.
but I think that might help
I
you
used to
guys
hand out
with the
CDs
texture
before they
good
would buy.
anyways. I don't think it'll
Whoa. She love me so much, it
So
seems
my
like she
curl
blind.
friends and see how I feel.
Niggas don't know how I live, but that's what they live at their high. Oh, that's that she stepping on shit to the spot.
Okay, so this is the wig the company sent. I'm still trying to figure out this bank situation. But I think that she's mature, she's smart, her name's Velma. Oh, it's so cute. It's fun.
And if you play that back, you will understand what I'm really trying to say. Playing tug ties on your mental is my way. And if you down, then let's play. If you down, then let's play.